Trading a Hollywood soundstage for an aircraft hangar in Doha, Qatar, Flight Pavilion production director Christopher Vasquez and image specialist Rob McClellan have a high-flying and high-maintenance star to work with.
This jet was a star. This jet, it has attitude.
I'm all the way at 2.4.
Okay.
Capturing the iconic lines of the advanced F-15 QA, its power, speed, and fly-by-wire capabilities in advance of the Dubai Airshow. Video crew embracing the latest technology.
You guys brought the best jet, so we felt obligated to bring the best camera systems.
High-speed action cameras and drones. And multiple GoPros inside the cockpit take viewers into the world of fighter and test pilots. Bodies shaking, they can push 9 Gs during their demonstration flights just 500 feet above the ground.
Point the camera, something looks good.
We're essentially making a movie in a documentary environment, and we got more than we bargained for.